Hi, welcome to Future Technos. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting topic. Technology is moving faster than ever, and every year we see new devices, new innovations, and new ideas that change how we live. Some changes feel small, but others are huge and shift the way we use technology in daily life. When you look closely, you can see that all these new trends connect with each other. They are shaping the future of smartphones, cameras, computers, and even the way we interact with the world. The story of technology is not just about bigger screens, faster processors, or sharper cameras. It is about how all these pieces come together to make life easier, smarter, and more creative. In the past, you needed separate devices for different tasks. A camera for photos, a phone for calls, a computer for work, and a TV for entertainment. But now everything is merging. One device can do so many things, and that is the beauty of modern innovation. Take smartphones as an example. They have become the center of our lives. They are no longer just for making calls or sending texts. They are now powerful cameras, gaming machines, work tools, and entertainment hubs. Companies compete to give users the best features, whether it is through faster chips, AI-powered cameras, or stunning displays. What is exciting is not just what phones can do now, but what they are slowly becoming. A smartphone is like a mini computer in your pocket, but the next step is making it more personal, more intelligent, and more connected to everything else around you. Artificial intelligence plays a huge role in this journey. AI is not just some big futuristic word anymore. It is inside your phone when you unlock it with your face. It is in your camera when it adjusts lighting automatically. It is even in your apps when they suggest what you should watch, what you should listen to, or where you should go. The smarter devices become, the less effort you need to put in. They start learning from your habits, and they adapt to make life smoother. But it is not only smartphones that are evolving. Cameras are changing too, especially hybrid cameras that focus on both photos and videos. A few years back, you needed separate equipment for professional photography and filmmaking. But now mirrorless cameras are built to handle both with equal strength. This is very important because content creation is growing rapidly. People want to capture high-quality photos, but they also want cinematic videos. Companies like Canon, Sony, and Nikon are competing to deliver the best hybrid experience. Each release is not only about megapixels or frame rates, but also about color science, stabilization, and smart features that make filming easier. Then we have laptops and computers. They remain important, but even they are transforming. Modern laptops are thinner, lighter, and more powerful than before. Battery life is improving, and processors are becoming more efficient. But the real shift is in how laptops are connecting with the cloud and AI. You no longer need all the power in your device. Some of the heavy work is done online through cloud computing. This makes devices more flexible and less limited by hardware. In the future, we might not think about owning powerful devices, but instead, using them as tools connected to a much bigger system. Wearables are another big part of this change. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, and even smart glasses are all designed to give you quick access to information without always holding your phone. They keep track of health, sleep, and workouts, but now they are also becoming more like mini assistants. Some smartwatches can take calls, make payments, or even run apps without needing your phone nearby. As they get smarter, they will play a bigger role in daily life, especially in health monitoring. If you connect all these pieces together, you can see the future forming. Smartphones, cameras, laptops, and wearables are no longer separate worlds. They are connected by AI, cloud systems, and smarter software. This means your photos can move instantly from your camera to your phone, your work can shift from your laptop to your tablet, and your watch can send health updates directly to your doctor. The idea is simple. Technology is not just a set of devices anymore, but a connected ecosystem. This ecosystem will only grow stronger in the coming years. As networks become faster with 5G and later 6G, the limits between devices will disappear even more. You won't worry about storage or processing because everything will feel instant. At the same time, AI will continue to become more advanced, making devices not just faster but also more personal. Imagine a phone that understands your mood, a camera that knows your style, or a laptop that adjusts based on your work routine.